Hi everyone, this is the last activity we did together, the Task20X, and this was about the conditional formatting. So I'm going to move on to the next section, and now it's adjust page orientation and prepare to print. Okay, this is the last section I'm going to see. I'm looking at this. Is using the previous activity. Okay, so I'm going to explain a few things about that. I already have this open, and I'm going to explain how I can set up the orientation and page layout to print. Okay, so it's normally, and my experience, the easiest things to do is go to File and Print, and in here I can see the orientation is portrait and is enough. But sometimes maybe I need landscape because maybe I want to show the formulas and maybe it's not enough. So if I want to orientate this in formula view, remember formula view, I've got formula and then show formulas. But when you do that, the spreadsheet opens. So I need to resize the column, click on here, resize the column, and then I can see everything again. For example, I'm going to do this one so you can see better. I can go to formulas, show formulas, and now I've got the formulas here, but the layout is distorted. So I can click on here, double click, and I can see everything perfectly. I'm going to use this one too for the example. So now if I want to print this, I can go to File and Print. Okay, and as you can see, not everything fits in this page. So there's different ways to solve this. One of them is to change the orientation. So I can go to Page Layout, Orientation, Landscape, and now I can go and see if I will click on Print. I can see now that everything fits, and that's perfect. But let's say, imagine that I'm not allowed to change the orientation. I need to print in portrait. So if I go to File and Print, I cannot see in one page, and it will print in two pages, and this is not good enough. So I need to do something different, and this is very important. So what I can do is to go to the page setup here, and I can say to, instead of adjust, fit to one page wide. And then I can say how tall, but normally fit to one page is what I need. In here you can change the landscape too, if you want to, but actually it's not necessary here because everything will fit in one page. You have to be very careful with this option because maybe there's too much, it's going to be too small and it's very difficult or impossible to read. In this case you can, okay, you can, but you have to be careful. So remember, page setup in the print option, and then you can fit to one page. And actually here I can change to landscape, and again it fits to one page in landscape. Okay, I'm going to carry on from here. So remind you, File, Print, and go to Page Setup. This is very important option. In Page Setup, I've got several tabs on the top. The page one is very important because of the landscape and fit to one page, and this is important. Margins, normally I will not recommend to touch anything, but header and footer are very important because we need to label our documents. So we can custom the header on the top and the footer on the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to custom the header, and normally if I have to add some data, I have to add the task, spreadsheet, whatever it is, my name, surname, and my candidate number, and then the center number. Okay, that's important. You can put in one section, but I like to split in the three sections because I believe looks better. This is on the header. Okay, you don't have to apply this until the end. If I'm showing the formulas, or maybe even if I don't show the formulas, I maybe need to show grid lines and very important rows and columns headings. Because then if I need to, someone need to check that in D3 is this formula, I have the D, I have the row 2, and it's very easy to check. If I don't have this data, maybe I'm not going to be assessed properly. So make sure you've got all of this. I'm going to come back here to make sure that I cover the page orientation. You remember, I can do it also the page orientation, landscape orientation. I can change here, but I normally don't use this option. I use page setup. Okay, and use this. You can choose whatever you prefer. The size of the page. You don't have to print on the exam, but it is important to know how to do these things. Okay, so I cover this. You know all of this perfectly. Okay, and this is the end of the PDF. All right. So there's something I think is very important is missing on this PDF, which is the graphs and charts, which I'm going to cover on the next video. Hopefully this is clear for you. This is very important because if you do the work, it's very important to label your work properly to be assessed in the right way. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.